हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा बायोलॉजी रो नेक्स्ट पार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एलिमेंट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन। द गुड सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर wheat, maize, rice, potato, etc. Function of carbohydrate in human body: provide energy and regulation of blood glucose. Next, a normal person need how much carbohydrate daily? 400 to 500 gram. Next, the carbohydrate are divided into three types. गोटे है monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Example of monosaccharide are ribosome, glucose, fructose, galactose, etc. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Carbohydrate which serve as a reserve glucose in body is glycogen. Sweetest sugar is D-fructose, found in fruit juice and honey. Example of oligosaccharides are disaccharide, sucrose, lactose, maltose, etc. The chemical formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. Sucrose is also table sugar. Next, example of polysaccharide are cellulose, glycogen and starch. The chemical formula of starch is C6H10O5. What happens when we intake expensive carbohydrate? The right answer is digestive problem and obesity occur. What should be the given to an athletes for instant energy? Carbohydrate. The element of protein are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Good source of protein are groundnuts, soybean, pulses, fish, etc. Function of protein in human body: growth and repair the body. A normal person need how much protein daily? Right answer is 70 gram. Enzymes are basically protein. Which disease caused by the deficiency of protein in child? Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor disease occurs in child under 1 year of age. Marasmus disease occurs in child 6 months to 3 years. What happens when Kwashiorkor disease occurs? Hand and legs children got slimed and the stomach comes out. What happens when marasmus disease occurs? Muscles of children are loosened. The element of lipids fat are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Good source of fat are ghee, butter, almond, cheese, egg yolk, meat, soybean, etc. Fat are abundantly found in reproductive issue. How many types of fatty acid? Two types. गोटे है saturated और गोटे है unsaturated. Saturated fatty acid are found in coconut oil, palm oil, butter, cheese and red meat. Unsaturated fatty acid are found in fish oil, vegetable oil, nuts and avocado. Unsaturated fat can be made saturated by the addition of hydrogen. Next, obesity of person is due to excess of fat. The function of fat in human body providing twice the energy of carbohydrate and maintain body temperature. Deficiency of fat in human body is dry skin and weightlessness. What happens when excessive fat in human body? Heart disease and high blood pressure. Next. Mother milk is preferred to cow's milk because it contains less fat and less lipids. Vitamin was first invented by F.G. Hipkins. The term vitamin was coined by C. Funk. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. The chemical name of vitamin A, retinol. Good source of vitamin A are carrot, orange, green vegetable, pumpkin, squash, spinach, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B1 cause beriberi, weakness, course syndromes. Chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. Good source of vitamin B1 is groundnuts, liver, vegetable, eggs, etc. Deficiency of vitamin 2 cause cracking of skin, reddish eye, cracking of tongue. Chemical name of vitamin 2, riboflavin. Good source of vitamin 2 are meat, milk, green vegetable, etc. Vitamin A deficiency of vitamin B3 cause pellagra. Chemical name of vitamin B3 are nicotinamide और niacin. विटामिन B3 को निकोटिनामाइड और नियासिन मध्य कहुए. नेक्स्ट. Vitamin B3 good source of vitamin are meat, milk, liver, fish, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B5 causes dermatitis. Chemical name of vitamin B5. Right answer is pantothenic acid. Good source of vitamin B5, meat, milk, liver, egg, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B6 cause dermatitis or anemia. Chemical name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. Good source of vitamin B6 are meat, milk, liver, cereal, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B7 cause dermatitis, enteritis and anemia. Chemical name of vitamin B7, biotin. Good source of vitamin B7 are raw egg yolk, liver, vegetable, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B9 cause megaloblast and impingement birth defect such as neural tube defect. The chemical name of vitamin B9, folic acid. Good source of vitamin B9 are pasta, bread, liver, vegetable, etc. Next, vitamin deficiency of vitamin B12 cause pernicious anemia. Chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Good source of vitamin B9 are meat and others animal product. आदिर क्वेश्चन आंसर एथिरे रखिबा नेक्स्ट रे आमे बाकी सब नेक्स्ट पार्ट रे बाकी सब आमे डिस्कशन करिबा। थैंक यू।